Hey everyone, it's Alan over at Cobblers Plus, and I guess I'm doing an unboxing video. I got myself a pair of Thursday boots finally, and for those of you who are part of the Thursday group Enthusiast page on Facebook, which I'm an admin in actually, apparently everyone wants me to do an unboxing, so I'm going to do my very first unboxing. Is it my first? I think it is my first on video. So let's zoom in and check out what's going on in here and check out my new Thursdays. Alright, so I don't really need to hide any of my personal info because it was shipped here to the shop, so otherwise I'd have to mark it all out, but who cares, right? It's public knowledge since it was shipped to the shop. Alright, nice box there. Alright, what we got? I can't even see it. You guys see it before I do. Ah, it's paper. Okay. Alright, packaged it up pretty good. Get the box out of the way. So the boots that I picked out are, in particular, if you're aware of Thursday Boot Company, are a pair of captains. I want to keep them traditional and stuff and get a pair of captains. For those of you who don't know, Thursday Boot Company brand are actually a really well-constructed boot for the price point. They're averaging about $200, under 200 is how they promote it at $199 and stuff. They do have a few models that are in like the $260, $270 range, which are great also. I wanted a pair of those, but I want to get one of their originals first and get that out of my way and then maybe get some more later on. So these are my captains here. These are the Arizona colored ones, so they're kind of a oiled finish and everything. These are really cool. I'm excited to finally have myself a pair of these. Designed in New York, handcrafted in Mexico. So if you're wondering, especially about Thursday Boot Company, they're coming out of Mexico. Now, obviously, there's going to be people saying, oh, if they're not made in the U.S., they're not great. No, they're great. There are a lot of good boot makers out in Mexico, and a lot of U.S. companies are trying to get those boot makers to come out here, but they don't want to. They want to stay there in Mexico. So a lot of times, companies have them make the boots then right out there in Mexico and everything. So these are my captains here. I'm going to do a quick separate recording because I'm also doing a video on, different stages of purchasing and owning boots and shoes, and so these were going to be perfect for us since they're brand new to me on what different stages to do. But a little bit I'll note on Thursday Boot Company. This could be kind of a cash or trash episode technically. Obviously I'm an admin in the group, and obviously now I own a pair as well, and hopefully own more pairs down the road and everything. But they're a very well-built shoe, good construction. They have a leather midsole on a lot of their models, but some of the models that you come across, they don't have a leather. They have like this foam type of midsole as well. So this one here has the leather one, thankfully. That's what I prefer personally. But the foam one, it's a special type of, I think it was, I can't remember what they called it, but it's like an EVA pour-on type of foam that's fairly dense, but it's also not crazy hard or anything, so it still has some softness to it to make the boot feel a little bit more, at least somewhat more like a athletic type of shoe with some forms of cushioning, which is a good introductory thing for people who are transitioning from wearing sneakers their entire life to a Goodyear welted style shoe. This is a perfect boot for entry level. They've got a wide variety of different options and finishes and stuff. Good full grain leather, easy to maintain. Goodyear welt means that they're stitched on the outside here. The sole is all the way through. Leather stacked heel base is not a fiberboard or composite or plastic of some sort or anything like that. But yeah, so I'm definitely excited about these. So let me do a quick recording on a portion of everything else. Otherwise, hopefully, because I haven't had a pair, honestly, even though I've been an admin in the group on Facebook for 2 years now, I didn't own a pair, but I've worked on dozens of these things, and Now I can finally say I own a pair. So let me do that other quick recording. So did a quick recording for that actually. If you want to check that out, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell icon. I'm going to go ahead and try these out for fit to make sure everything's working, because I just don't buy many shoes, and I was running around trying to figure out what size I need, because the shoes I have behind me can literally range about a full size difference, including half sizes and stuff, even size and a half I think on one of the pairs. That's far apart from the smallest size. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to try them out and see how it works for me. So let's go ahead and put them on. All right, everyone, so obviously they're on my feet now. I've got the boots on, and I did notice also there was a little bit of a discoloration between the two shoes, but I'll post the pictures up above and everything. It's not a big issue in my case, especially. Some cream conditioner will fix it up, but I don't even care about that. I love discoloration actually, because it kind of shows the natural look of the leather and everything. So I'm going to just jump straight to the waterproofer and throw that on these guys. But yeah, these were the Red Wings I took off and everything. They're still the old ones that I had the Vibram Eaton versus Day Night sole, if anyone's wondering. I'm pretty light on my feet, surprisingly, so still been wearing these going at it, and I think I've been doing more damage to the insides. I might have to replace the little leather heel pad on there. It's starting to get a little beaten up and everything. I thought it was a piece of something stuck in there. But yeah, so that was my unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I love my Thursday boots. Originally I thought I might have to actually exchange the size, go down a half size and a wider width, but that's because I put on my left foot first, and as you may have seen in the clip. But once I put on my right foot, the right foot definitely fit better and like perfect, spot on. But because the foot size difference, everyone's got it. I'm going to have to wear them for a little while, see how it goes, and once the leather and everything starts to break in, see if maybe I'll throw an insole into the left foot so that it kind of compensates for all that, or see where I'm about to take it. But the right foot definitely fits perfect on me. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe down the road I'll have some more unboxing videos. I don't buy shoes too often unless they're like thrift store finds and stuff that I just have fun with and whatever. But yeah, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and the notification bell icon if you're wanting to check out the videos of different stages of buying shoes, what you should look for, especially if you're new to buying footwear. It's all in stages of what your plan should be before you buy the shoes, what to look out for, what the expectations are once they come in as well, like these ones did. Definitely you might want to check that out if you're new to shoes, or at least moving up in quality standards in the game, because there are different levels to quality standards. I mean, these are $200 for a pair, which are great for a Goodyear welted shoe. Some people might think $200 is insane. I buy my shoes for $50, but there's a huge quality difference from $50 to $200. These are going to last me for many years, even after resoles and everything like that. And then from $200 is a jump to $400 or $500 quality price point range. 700, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. There's a lot of different stages and stuff. So definitely make sure you hit the notification bell icon to be notified when all those different stages come out. Not of the shoes, but the different stages of purchasing and owning shoes and what needs to be done and what we recommend as well. So again, thanks for watching.